One of the first things you'll notice when typing on the Apple keyboard is that you can make the keys automatically repeat if you leave your finger on the key. To try this, please press return. Go ahead and press a key with a letter on it. Practice repeating the letter by holding down the key. Whether you're typing one letter at a time or repeating letters, your fingers can sometimes slip. This leads to the question, what if you make a mistake? Don't panic. If you make a typing error, you can use this key, called the delete key, to correct the error. The delete key backs up and deletes a character. What fruit is named after a computer? Let's correct the answer above to read apple instead of apfel. Please press the delete key. The cursor will back up and delete the F in slow motion. Now correct the error by typing the E key. You've finished the correction, so press return. Good. Now please press return to try another example. Every child loves to play with a dolt. Let's try correcting the word dolt to read doll. Please press the delete key. The cursor will back up and delete the T in slow motion. Now correct this error by pressing the L key. You've finished this correction, so press return. Very good. As you see, delete always deletes to the left, which makes it useful for erasing errors at the end of a word. Sometimes an error will not be at the end of the word. When this happens, you use these keys, called the left arrow and right arrow, to move the cursor next to the error. The left arrow key moves the cursor backward, the right arrow key moves the cursor forward. Press the return key to try correcting an error that isn't at the end of a word. Where does it rain? Now delete and return. Very good. Who is buried in Grant's tomb? Arrow key, delete, and A. Return. Romeo yearned to be locked in the heart of Juliet. Try correcting Joliet to read Juliet. Arrow, 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 delete. U, return. You're doing very well. So far, we have given you examples you could have corrected on a modern electric typewriter. But with an Apple, you have the power to shrink and stretch your electronic paper. In this final example, you will do just that. Who discovered the law of gravity? Joe Newton. Let's correct Joe to read Isaac. Arrow over. Delete, delete, delete. Now add the correct letters, Isaac. I, S, A, C. Return. Please note, no matter where the cursor is, pressing return accepts the entire answer. As we mentioned before, a computer is more versatile than a typewriter. For example, a computer can ask you, what's your first name? Is Patty your correct first name? Type yes and press return if it is. Press no and press return if it isn't. I'll say yes. Great, Patty. Press return to continue. Sometimes a program lets you choose what you want to do, just as a restaurant lets you choose your meal. Press return to say today's menu. Patty's Diner. Asterisk means not fresh today, and arrow, today special. And to choose a meal, type a number from 1 to 11, then press return. I will press 4. An excellent selection. German cuisine is so tasty. Please press return when you finish eating. This entire program is also listed on a menu, which we will show you next. You may go through the topics in order, or you may investigate on your own. Press return to reveal this program's main menu. Patty's main menu. We have 1, start over from the very beginning. 2, type your name. 3, the restaurant menu. 4, a shift of character. 5, color or black and white. 6, why 10 isn't a 10. 7, apples, apples everywhere. 8, making your escape and reset. 9, friendly advice. 10, the 3 cursors. Question mark, which I believe is 11. Watch this space. 12, I want to quit now.